Hey guys, this is Taylor here and today we are solving the first question of weekly contest 465. Let's get started. So question is given. You are given an integer array order of length n and integer array friends. We have given two arrays. Order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once, okay, representing the IDs of participant of a race in their finishing order. So order can be anything. Order will be exactly the finishing order of the race. Friends contain the IDs of your friends in the race, sorted in strictly increasing order. Each ID in friend is guaranteed to appear in the order array. Return an array containing your friend's ID in their finishing order. So let me tell you what all things are given to us. We have been given this order array and this friends array. What this order array represent? Order array represents number from 1 to n exactly. So let's say if its length is 5, so this order array will contain exactly 5 elements from 1 to 5, and the order can be anything. In order will be exactly the finishing order of the race. And from this order, uh, one friends array is there, okay, and what all like whatever elements present in this friends array will must be present in the order array. This is the condition. And friends array length can be smaller. You can see friends array length can be equal to order, okay, like length of order equal to length of friends, that can be possible, or it would be less, okay, it would be less. Now what I need to find is basically I need to find elements of friends array. My output will contain all elements of friends array. But in which order? In order present here. So let's say if 3 is coming here first, so I will write 3 here because 3 is present here. Now I am having 1 and 4. Which is coming first? I think 1 is coming first. So I will write 1 here. And next 4 is remaining. 4 is here. So I can write 4 here. So the problem is little straightforward. Very straightforward and simple. So what I need to do? I need to check the order of this order array, and I need to return all the elements of this friends array. That's it. So intuition behind solving this problem will be to use some data structure you like we call as set or a dictionary in Python, or hash map or hash set, not hash set, hash map in Java or C++, you can say any data structure. If we store anything and if we search anything, that will give our answer in order of one time, order of log n time. If you know any data structure we can use, so you can definitely find the answer. So in Python I will be using this set data structure. So what the approach is straightforward. What I will be doing, I will be putting all the elements of this friends array into the set, and then I will be iterating over this order array. I will be checking whether this 3 is present in my set. If 3 is present, then I will put it in my answer. Okay, so 3 is present here, so I will put it in my answer. Then I will check. Is 1 present in the friends array? Yes, 8 is present. I will put it in my answer. Is 2 present in the array? No, 2 is not, so I will not put in answer. Is 5 present? No, it's not. Is 4 present? Yes, 4 is present, so I will put it in my answer. Once iteration is done, I will return this as an answer. So that's what a straightforward answer. I don't think we need to write a pseudocode for this. Let's quickly jump to the code. So I can define my set like this. I can create set of friends directly like this in Python, and equivalent C++, Java and JavaScript code will be in the description. So please make sure you check that if you write in those languages. So for number in order, if number in my set, so it will be a constant time check. In Python, this my set check will be in constant time. If number is present in my set, I can define a answer array as well. I can definitely append it to answer, and in last I can just return the answer. Simple, very simple code. Let's try to run this. Okay, we are okay. I need to return answer, not nums. Okay, okay, fine. Let's try to submit this and see. Okay, this is working fine. I hope you understood the solution. Just in case, please make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, because we'll be solving the second question, we'll be solving the third question as well. So make sure you subscribe to don't miss any of this insightful and interesting solution. I will make this second and third question very easy for you. So make sure you subscribe and watch those videos as well. Thank you very much.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.